Alrighty, my friends. First of all, happy 4th of July. It is the 250th birthday of America today. And obviously this video was me out riding on my 100th anniversary Fat Boy. What I didn't put in the video and what I didn't show you was during this ride, I did get into a small fender bender. It really wasn't anyone's fault per se. I was in the left lane and I went over to switch to the right lane, and we were going through an intersection. I cleared the intersection, and then right after the intersection, the two cars right in front of me just jammed on their brakes. I was far enough back. I mean, I'm always 2 car lengths back behind somebody, especially on my motorcycle, but the way that they jammed on their brakes, I jammed on mine. Bike kind of slid out from under me a little bit at an angle, and I went into the back of the Jeep that was in front of me. I ended up hitting their bike rack that was on there, and I did damage their bike rack pretty good. The actual only damage to the Fat Boy, though, surprisingly, is just a few little nicks and a little bend here, right in here, and that literally was it. You know, I have an engine guard on the bike, so that stopped for when the bike kind of leaned over. I was still kind of holding it up so it didn't fully like go all the way down, so there's no nicks on the primary or anywhere like that. Turn signals are all good. But yeah, you know, it's unfortunate, but I'm okay. Everyone in the Jeep was okay. It wasn't like a super high speed impact by any means. Clearly, as you can see by the damage to the fender on there, it's not much. I just felt bad that I broke their bike rack, and so, you know, I asked the woman if she wanted to do an insurance thing, and she said absolutely not. She didn't want her insurance to go up or my insurance to go up. So I did go ahead and offer her some cash to help pay for a new bike rack. And it was all cool after that, and it was so sweet. Her little girl gave me a hug and said, "I'm so glad you're okay, mister, and thank you for helping my mommy get me a new bike rack." So all is well and good. It's just one of those things of just a reminder to just always have your head on a swivel, always keep your eyes forward, and just remember, you know, enjoy the hell out of riding, but also, you know, just be extremely careful and safe. So, all right, as always, friends, thank you so much for checking out my videos, and until the next one.